Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I will show you guys how can you turn off your app lock in your Tecno phone. So friends, you want to off your app lock setting guys. You don't want to use guys your app lock. So friends, you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to turn off app lock in our Tecno phone. In this video friends, I will show you. So first of all guys, we will turn on our phone setting to off our app lock. Then guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys phone security setting guys. Tap here guys, click on your app lock setting guys. So friends, you have your app lock, so I open your app lock setting, and guys you can draw your pattern, means you will have to draw your pattern. And how can you turn off? So when right side you can this I setting icon, tap here, and once you can see enable app lock, tap here to off it. So your app lock will off in your Tecno phone. And guys you can see guys there is no any app lock in your Tecno phone guys. You can use your apps without your app lock setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye friends.